Okay, welcome to ProFrame 2015. What I'm going to do in this video is kind of give you an overview of the system. Let's take a look at the customer file. I'll bring up this customer. Basically, this first screen allows me to set up the billing account information, terms and things like that. If I click on the Ship To tab, I can set up multiple Ship To accounts. I can set up custom business types and be able to click on, what this customer is. I can also set preferred vendors. For example, if this customer just wanted to, purchase a molding from a certain vendor, then you could set that up, and the system would warn a user during order entry if they pull in a molding that's not designer molding. It'll allow you to continue the order, but not without a warning. We got AR history. Let's double click this guy right here and actually reprint an invoice. That way he can give you an idea of what an invoice looks like. There's several styles to choose from. Two of them allow you to insert your logo, so your logo can go right where this phone number is. Aging tab. I can print aging from here or statements from here. Okay. Discounts. I can set this customer up with a class, for example, a gold class. I'll show you discounts in just a second so you can see how that comes in. I can also set up custom discounts for this particular customer, that's unique to him. And as you can see, I've selected all vendors, and basically this is a discount structure for alpha mats. Okay. Period sales, detailed sales. Let me go back far enough where I can pick up some detailed sales here. So this just shows me all the items that I may have sold this customer in that given time frame. I also have lost sales. Pretty much works the same way. And in a profile, I can set up an email address and set up a few options here. For example, mailing list on the email, so I can send him mass emails. Okay, let's get out of customer file.